Hello everyone, this is MJ and welcome to my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, and productivity. Today, let's do an unboxing for a certain specific pen for a certain specific journal. Stay tuned. All right, so many of you know what this pen is. It was available and I got it. Yeah, I got it. It caught my eye a couple months ago and I'm like, I love the colors. It's called Coffee, if that'll give you any inclination. But I didn't want to, I'm like, I have one already. Do I need another one? Yes, I do need another one. Thank you very much. So I picked this up. This is the Jinhao 10 in coffee. What do you want to call it? Coffee coloring, gradient coffee with gold accents. And this is an extra fine. So I find that my retractables, Jinhaos, if you don't use them, you get that hard start, right? Sometimes they just won't start. If I'm going to be using this every day, I should have no issue with it, right? Right. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using it every single day. So let's turn the camera around. I'm going to fill it with Jacques Herbin. This is Cacao do Bresil. This is a beautiful coffee color to go with a coffee pen. All right, let's turn the camera around, have some fun. All right, so here we are. Put my glasses on so you can see the Jinhao logo there. And then we have the band, and we have the clicker, and there's the bottom of the vanishing point, retractable. I think I may get a Pilot vanishing point for Christmas just to, or maybe anniversary, that might be a good one too. I want to see the difference. I know there's a massive difference, but I want to experience the difference. Do you know what I mean? So yes, this is going with this baby. Oh, look, they love each other already. I love it. And it is a beautiful, beautiful match with the gold hardware and the gold accents. I don't think the pen loop is going to serve it. I'm going to say no, it's definitely too narrow. So, and that's fine. That's fine. I'm just going to keep it here. This planner's never leaving my office. It's going to stay here, and the pen is going to stay with it, and I'm going to be using it every day. And if you missed my last video, I did a flip through of all the different inserts. Oh, isn't that cool? All the different inserts that I have, and I'll leave a card here so you can check that out. All right, let's get back to the pen. Let's fill it and see how it writes. All right, so again, this is the ink that we're going to be using. This is Cacao do Bresil from Jacques Herbin. Founded in Paris in the 1670s, Jacques Herbin was quickly recognized for the exceptional quality of its sealing wax and inks throughout the world. Faithful to tradition, Jacques Herbin inks are still made in France, and the French names associated with the colors remain resolutely poetic. And these are all of the different colors that they have available for the writing ink. I also have another one. I have a gray purple that's wonderful. This is ink for pen, brush, and nib, made in France, 30 milliliters. Cacao do Bresil. And the wonderful thing I love about these, I don't know if you could see or not, but there is a little divot right here. Did you know that there's a divot here where you can just rest your pen? Yes, there is. It's so ingenious. So if you leave your bottles out on your desk, which I don't, but some people do, instead of having your pen just, you know, laying around, you can actually have it resting. Perfection. Perfection. I think that's a brilliant design. That's a brilliant design. There's no shimmer or anything in it. I just like to shake it a little bit. Do you shake your inks? Just to make sure like nothing settles. All right, let's undo. Okay. Okay, so we filled it, took off the excess. Let me get my swatch of the ink so you can check it out in full glory. And then we'll go to the pen. All right. I also have some inks arriving tomorrow, which will be another video in the future. This is it. So I purchased this ink on March 29th, 2025. Jacques Herbin. This is Cacao du Bresil. I was looking for a cool brown, and this may simply be the perfect shade. It's a cool, cool coffee brown. And I think that's perfect for this journal. So now we're going to get a little piece of test paper. Put some light on for us. Okay. And if you've been with my channel, you know exactly what I'm going to write. Now this is an extra fine. I don't know if you were able to see that or not, but let's just get in with the retractables again. This is it closed. And this is the part that dries out. I know there's a video out there that uses a little bit of silicone maybe or something to just go around the edges of this. I've done that with my other Jinhao and it just doesn't work. It maybe works for like a day or two, but if I don't touch the pen in like 3 days, it's all over. Oh yeah, lovely. Okay. It writes so nice. Not scratchy. The ink flow is perfection. Oh, I'm very happy. And this is an extra fine. It seems like it's writing. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts. Does this write like an extra fine? I cleaned out my pens today, most of them, so I can't pull out my other Jinhao. This is an extra fine. It may be the ink. This is the Hongdian 23 in Year of the Rabbit. Let's make some lines and check it out. might be the same. This is my medium Esterbrook. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, it's so good. This is the Coffee Monsters co-collaboration, and this is in the medium journaler nib. And this was designed to give you more of a broader downstroke, and the side stroke is a little more on the thinner side. I have to get one of those measuring tools. Do you have one of the measuring tools from Jet Pens where you can measure, you know, your lines to see exactly what width they are? And I don't have a broad. This is a medium too. This is my medium Conklin. I guess it's extra fine. It looks very similar. Well, regardless, I am pleased as to how it writes. I'm going to play around in the planner later. And it's perfection. Right now, it's perfection. That ink is perfect. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love this shading? Do you love this color? Do you love the price of the Jinhao? Or has the Jinhao kind of turned you off to dupe pens or pens that are trying to act like the original Pilot Vanishing Point? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I am going to get a vanishing point at some point. But I think just for, you know, daily use, this is great. I love it. All right, I'm going to turn the camera back around. All right, everyone, tell me your thoughts about this pen. Do you have a Jinhao 10? Do you have a collection of them? I know some people collect them. There actually were some, there are some new colors that just came out. There's one, I think it's a purple, and there's also a bright mint. And if you know me, if you know anything about me, teal, bright mint, that's one of my go-to colors. I simply love it. But this one has a specific purpose, and I'm really pleased right now with how it writes and how the ink is flowing. So it could be the paper, don't know, but there's at least 3 different papers in my inserts that my inserts are made from. So I'm going to be putting them all to the test, and we're going to see if it's going to last. If this is the ink for this pen. Maybe it's not, but we're going to test it out. All right, so for right now, that's it here from me. I hope you're all doing well. Make sure that you fill those pens, write those words, and I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now and happy writing. All right, everyone, I put it to the test. I'm going to show you on 2 pages the difference in ink and bleed through. I have to say I expected it, but I didn't expect one thing. All right, let me turn the camera around. This side, we have a little bit of shadowing. Little bit, okay? Enough to irritate me. And this is by AMW Planner. This is the paper that they use. Now, I will say that this paper from Cloth and Paper, it's brilliant. So same ink, same pen, thicker paper, 0 bleed through, 0. No shading, no shadowing, no nothing. So Cloth and Paper right now for the win. For the win. Pen planner people have been worried about using Cloth and Paper right now. I'm going to say, don't worry. Their paper's fantastic. So I'm definitely going to scour their website to see if they have any different inserts available. And I may have to pick something up. All right, everybody. See you next time.